here at the Thunder Knob Trail, and this is the start. It looks like I gotta circumvent a washout. It's only 1.8 miles one way and a gain of 635 feet. But it's really washed out right here in the beginning. Welcome to the North Cascades National Park, Thunder Knob. This is a good little resting spot to catch your breath. It's probably about halfway, maybe. Really pretty up here. So you can see quite a bit of snow. It's up on the mountains. So just a quick update for 2021 as I hike up to Thunder Knob. I signed up for the 52-week hike challenge, which is you have to hike 52 hikes in a year. And I also signed up for the 6-pack 6-peak challenge, which is 6 pretty tough climbs in Washington State: Camp Muir, Granite Mountain, Pilchuck, just to name a couple. Mailbox was one of them. Already did that last month. Be going back to do a video. So anyway, it's going to be a good year of hikes. Right now the temperature is probably in the low 60s, but the sun is really intense. And this is the drier part of Washington State, Okanagan, Wenatchee National Forest. We're still in the Cascades, but we're on that side. There's going to be some ponderosa pines out here, various other, but it's a very dry trail. So if you want to do this in the summer, get here early. As you can tell, there's a lot of dust and dry vegetation. It's supposed to be mountain goats out here, but we'll see. So I just passed some trail workers clearing the blow downs with some chainsaw action. And I think this trail is probably coming to an end here soon. The views up here are incredible. You get to see all of the North Cascades just about. And for a 60-degree day, it is hot. It is hot up here. It feels like it's 80. But there's a nice breeze every once in a while. It'll keep you nice and cool. I would just recommend that you take a lot of water in August if you're coming up here, because like I said, it's really hot up here. I'm sweating. And that's the end of Thunder Knob. We're at the end of the trail, and there's Highway 20, and that is Ross Lake or Gorge Lake, one of the two. And there's some big mountains. I believe that's Colonial Peak. And yeah, this is the end. So that's Davis Peak. That's Sourdough Mountain. And That's Pierce Mountain, I'm assuming. And you can see the boat down there on the lake. So that concludes the Thunder Knob video. Hopefully I'll get some more videos out there for you guys, and make sure you like, subscribe, and drop a comment on what mountains you'd want to see on videos. Until next time.